Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter masala paneer. First, cut 200 grams of paneer into 1-inch cubes. Next, lightly pan-fry these cubes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. This step adds a lovely texture. After frying, immediately soak the paneer in warm water for about 10 minutes. This keeps the paneer soft and prevents it from becoming rubbery in the curry. Now, let's create the flavorful masala base. Sauté 1 large chopped onion and 2 medium tomatoes in a pan until they are soft and translucent. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another 2 minutes until fragrant. Transfer this mixture to a blender and process until you have a perfectly smooth, rich paste. This forms the heart of our delicious curry. With our base ready, it's time to cook the butter masala. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pan over medium heat. Pour in the smooth onion tomato paste and cook it for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cook these spices for another 2 minutes to release their aromas. To finish, add about 1/2 cup of water to the simmering masala, bringing it to your desired consistency. Gently fold in the fried paneer cubes. Let the curry simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the paneer to absorb all the wonderful flavors and the sauce to thicken slightly. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a swirl of cream before serving hot with naan or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.